Hello guys, LegoFan8170, and today I'm going to make a review on the new 2011 summer set Genosian Starfighter number 7959, and it's ages 7 to 12. And yeah, first of all, this is a really good set. I like it a lot. But some complaints, but I'll explain that later in the video. But we'll start with a minifigs, and we start with a Genosian pilot. Yeah, he calls pilot. I'm not sure why, or but I know because he drive the thing. But things to say about him: he's a really good figure, really cool. Complain: he didn't have the cape or the wings or whatever they calls. He have a really cool belt decal and or belt printing, leg printing, and this middle thing, there, that black thing right there, it's also printed, so it looks really cool. Kiandemondi, really cool figure. Complaints: he didn't have any leg or belt printing, and this thing here, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be there, but all this big thing that goes down to his eyes, I'm not sure about that, but a really cool hair thing here. Cool head with this back printed head and back printed torso. Same on the Genosian, back printed. Wait, alright, like that, no, like that, alright. So yeah, that's it for him. Cody, yay, we see Cody again. So that's really nice. Complaints: like the new Star Wars sets, and many clones have this belt, or not belt, but leg printing, but he didn't. But still, he looks like the one from the gunship. But yeah, it's fun to see him again. So yeah, take away the figures and go to the set. So yeah, I mean, oh my god, why does it? Okay, the set. First of all, I start as I didn't with the figures complaints. It looks like this on the underside or whatever, and you can't stick clear pieces under, so it shows when it flies. Yeah, of course you can find a way, but I want to have it easier. On the underside or whatever, we have this bomb that release when you take this down I thought it would released. Why it didn't? I'll work with it later. Well, this gun here just goes from side to side. That, in my opinion, looks really weird because in the movies they like only shoot forward. So yeah, another complaint. And I'm not sure if it's going to be like this, but it's a big hole here that, in my opinion, don't look that great, but yeah. Here, back here, oh my god. Yes. Oh, just wait a second. Alright. Yeah, we like. Oh, still like it. We have this, like, if you like a gun or if you like the boost. Yeah, I think it's the boost because here you can see swishing from there. Alright, back to like or to next step here. It's actually the first time I tried, but you can take the figure, of course, the Genosian, put him here. Maybe I'm going to do like that. No, that was right, I think. Take down the arms like that. And here we have control panel. And then you take the gloves over him. That looks pretty cool. And this guy is pretty angry, you can see. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. It's fun because I think it's just it released for about 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. So yeah. And see you soon, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Another weekly update will be up soon. I know I didn't make anyone last week, but I have like school and sports. I play tennis and golf a lot, so yeah. But now today the school ends for me. Yeah, pretty late, but still. So I will be able to like make more videos if I like have something to show. But yeah, just show you. Here's the base again. Yay, it's pretty awesome. And I'm pretty much done with the elevator. But yeah, alright. See you next time, guys. Bye.